Hi everyone, just doing a quick update on PtEverywhere integration. So as you might have already know, these are some of the details that we are sending back from PtEverywhere in our API, and also you get it in your GHL as well. So you remember that we get the next appointment start time and also all details about the previous appointment. As you can see, the payments and those kind of things. Now we added two more segment to our appointments, which was requested a lot. So now what we're getting, if you look at the new custom fields that we're sending, we are getting the cancellation. So if they cancel their upcoming appointment, you get the service that they cancel and you get the date that they cancel. What you can do, you can basically, if you have any appointment reminder going on, you can cancel that workflow and also, for example, put them into another workflow to basically get them to rebook again. We also have these two coming up as well. So if your client was no-show within the last appointment that they had, you can basically follow up as well. And obviously, we do have active cases. So we added this one for some sort of if you want to track something or if you want to use ChatGPT and those kind of things for your messaging based on their active cases as well. So hopefully this will allow you to do some more smarter workflows. But yeah, let me know if you have any question. Thanks. Bye.